The first editor we will look at is the document editor, which can be opened by clicking the new tab button over here and then opening a document tab. A new tab will automatically open and the document tab will be presented to you. I will just quickly rename the tab by double clicking the tab name and changing it to English. And there we go. The first thing I'll do is write a big heading and make it bold. Then I'll write a subheading and make it italics. Then I'll write a quick sentence followed by a list. Your list can be ordered or unordered. Finally, to separate the sections of our document, I will add a divider. We then have our code editor. Like before, let me open up a new code editor tab and let's change the language to something like C++ or JavaScript if we're going through a JavaScript or C++ lesson. All the relevant syntax highlighting is here. For example, in JavaScript, if I write a function, my function, with a console log of hello world, this will highlight correctly and accordingly. We can, of course, also write comments. This works the same for any language such as C++ and Python. So let's try another like Python and write another function as before, but in Python syntax, and you'll see it again highlighting accordingly. This works for any of the languages listed in this drop-down menu. We also have the powerful Markdown editor found in the drop-down language list as well. This is a fully fledged left-hand side and right-hand side representation of a Markdown document. For example, I can write a whole document right here and see the live preview on the right-hand side at the exact same time. Finally, I want to show off some of our collaboration features. You will notice your lesson space participant colors in and around your space, on different tabs, and even on different lines of the document and the code editor. We can see in real time what your participants are doing. And that's it for the document and code editor tabs. We really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this.